Here is the keyboard supported version of StumbleGuys installed on my Chromebook. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get this version installed on your Chromebook. So without further ado, make sure to smash that like, subscribe and bell button if you find this helpful. And if you happen to face any difficulties while trying this, just come down in my Discord and I'll be glad to help you out. Now copy the link under StumbleGuys in description, go over to your Chrome browser, paste it in the search bar and hit enter. Now once this loads up and you get an error message like app currently not available, go ahead and click on the VPN down in description, install it on Chrome web browser and it should look exactly like mine. Now go ahead and choose maybe a US location and click on power. Now as you can see, my VPN is on, so I'll restart my browser so that the VPN can take effect. Now just a quick word about HoneyGain. If you're looking to make some extra money online without having to spend hours on tedious activities, you can just install HoneyGain and earn money by sharing your own internet connection. Just go down in the description and use my link to get $5 to start with. Now go ahead and click on play in browser, and that's just about it, having StumbleGuys to start working. Now the game is going to take relatively short to load. It's not that much of an intense game, and once it loads you can now see on-screen controls and you can see the gameplay keyboard mapping that has been done. Now go ahead and click on screen controls, turn it on, and then you can click out of that. And I'll go ahead and click on full screen if you prefer that, or don't click on anything at all. Now once this is done, you would have your game loading up and working for you. Now you may really need a good Wi-Fi connection or a better VPN if you face lags, as some VPNs can make your game really laggy, or if you have a bad Wi-Fi connection you will really not enjoy playing this game, trust me. However, if you happen to have a Chromebook that does not use touchscreen, whether you have a good VPN or a good internet connection, I'll still recommend that you stick with this and you try to purchase premium on any of the VPNs that you prefer. This is my personal preference when it comes to VPNs, as it's an easy way to just turn on your VPN from the browser and then just get going. So if you'd want to sign up, there are the sign up options and stuff like that you can do from the Google Play options in the settings. However, if you found this helpful, please make sure to smash that like, subscribe and bell button, and please make sure to come join my Discord down in the description if you have any problems. With that said, it's your boy Gd7playz and I'm out. Thank you guys.